Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Like, share, and subscribe on YouTube. Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Big George with George's Hot Sauce and Barbecue. We smoke good barbecue, eat good barbecue, and look good making barbecue. It's also sponsored by the Great Barbecue Connection out of the USA, Australia, and Canada. Now, today I am messing with some good rub from the historic Lynchburg company that provides this real cool rub. I call it the Tennessee Whiskey Rub. And, okay, as you see right there, I already made the blooper of the week. So I'm just gonna take that seal off and get back to work. So yeah, I'm gonna just basically shake this rub on vigorously to the chicken and make sure that all that seasoning get not only on top of the skin but under the skin as well. So I want to make sure you put some of that seasoning right in on these quarter leg chickens, which basically good old legs and thighs. So I'm just gonna do a quick smoke today. Definitely gonna use some cherry wood and some pecan. With some lump charcoal, oak lump charcoal. That's my thing. I like to just smoke good with that. So we're gonna play around with this chicken and add the sausages and probably have some potato salad and some green beans. Now you see that it's done. I love using that, and I also like to use the Elijah Extreme Gourmet sauce glaze. This glaze is pretty darn good. As you can see, I got the Lynch and I got the Elijah Extreme. I like to put that on my chicken and sometimes on my ribs on some good championship cooks. Now, it's grilling time, and in grilling time, that means it's fun time, and it's also time for me to get my shmoney dance on. That's right. Pause. There you go. There you go. Flex for the day. Now, chicken is pretty much done after I done kicked it. As you can see that bark on that chicken, and the sausage just turned out pretty good as well. So this is pretty much my cook for the day, and I want to say once again thank you for checking us out. This is Georgia Hot Sauce and Barbecue, where we smoke good barbecue, eat good barbecue, and look good making barbecue. Now you can also check me out where I got t-shirts available at teesprings.com/Georgia's Hot Sauce. You can also join my Patreon group. On Patreon, you can get pretty much hooked in and get deals on stuff. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe for me on this YouTube page. Thank you so much.